5 ways an INTP shows that they're in love with you. INTPs, just like every other human being, loves to be loved sincerely. Even though they're often relationship shy and different emotionally, they don't joke about their relationships when they happen to fall in love. They love a long-term relationship. That is why it takes a long time to convince an INTP that you're in love with them. But if you're patient enough and they eventually fall for you too, they might not say it, but their actions will surely tell. The following are 5 such ways in which the INTP shows that they are in love. But before that, please help to like and share this video if you think this information is useful for you, and do subscribe to our channel if you're new here. 1. They take a serious interest in things that interest you. INTPs naturally are introverted and quite shy, and it takes a lot of time for them to show interest in things that interest you. But once you begin to notice them taking a liking to things that concern you, or they begin to ask questions to know more about what you are doing or what you are up to, this is a sincere sign that they're in love with you, because the INTP naturally is a shy person and is always on their own, so developing interest in your interests means that they want to be a part of your life. 2. They reply to your messages on time. INTPs are well known for being sluggish people when texting and even socializing in general. It can take days and sometimes weeks before they can reply to a straightforward message. If that message needs them to be well detailed in their reply, it can take as long as a month before they decide to reply. Even though they often regret replying very late to messages, they find it hard to stop. But this takes a swift turn when an INTP falls in love. They are always close to their phones or computers to make sure that once messages come in, they are always there to give you a reply. It is not always easy for them, but they try to make an effort always. 3. They make efforts to hang out. As is already known, they're introverted and find it hard to socialize with people. But this takes a different turn when they fall in love with you. They will try all their best to make sure they create time to spend with you and hang out with you. But they make sure that the relationship is all set before allowing themselves to be seen hanging out with you or even introducing them to your friends. 4. They show you their weird side. Everybody has a weird side, but the INTP will always conceal that part of them so that you don't get to look at them like weirdos. But when they are in love and they're comfortable in the relationship with you, they don't mind showing you some of their weird sides and also get to ask you series of unimaginable questions just as their mind wanders. They are naturally not good at small talks, but they do not mind forcing themselves into those small talks and weird conversations you might enjoy when they are in love. 5. They share their deep feelings with you. INTPs love to keep things to themselves. They hardly tell people how they feel because they feel that no one will understand them. But when they get comfortable with you, they can show you their deepest fears and share their deepest feelings and thoughts with you. They do this because they believe that you will understand them and they are comfortable with you. So what do you think about this video? If you are more concerned about the INTP personality type, please don't hesitate to let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to join our notification squad. Thanks for watching this video.